In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Odoo Spreadsheet app. To get started, open Odoo and go to the Documents app. This is where your files and spreadsheets are managed, so it's the right place to create and organize new spreadsheet work. Once you're in the Documents app, click New in the upper left corner. From the available options, select Spreadsheet. This will open the setup window where you can decide how you want to begin. In the Create a Spreadsheet or Select a Template window, choose the folder where you want to save your file. This is an important step because it helps keep your documents organized from the start. After that, select Blank Spreadsheet. If you want to build everything from scratch, then click Create. Your new spreadsheet will open right away. Now you can click any cell and enter the data you want to include. This could be text, numbers, dates, or anything else you need for your work. As you add information, try to keep it structured clearly so it's easier to read and analyze later. Next, use the toolbar to format your spreadsheet. You can adjust text style, numbers, percentages, alignment, borders, and other cell properties. Formatting helps make your spreadsheet more professional and much easier to understand, especially if you plan to share it with others. If you want to add visual or structural elements, open the Insert menu. From there, you can insert things such as charts or other spreadsheet components. This is especially useful when you want to present data in a more visual way. You can also use the Format and Data menus to organize and refine your spreadsheet further. These menus are helpful for keeping your information neat, improving layout, and managing how data is displayed. To perform calculations, enter formulas starting with an equal sign. This tells Odoo that you want the cell to calculate something instead of just displaying text. Formulas can help automate totals, averages, and many other common tasks. If your workbook needs more space or separate sections, use the plus button at the bottom left to add additional sheets. This is a simple way to keep related information together without overcrowding one page. At the top, click on Titled Spreadsheet to give your file a name. Choosing a clear name makes it easier to find later in the Documents app. When needed, use filters to filter spreadsheet data. This is very useful when working with larger tables and you only want to view specific results. If you want to collaborate, click Share to share the spreadsheet with other users. Finally, remember that your changes are automatically saved in Odoo. You can confirm this by checking the saved status at the top, so you don't need to worry about manually saving your work. Thanks for watching.